Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the installer series. In this episode, we're going to be talking to Steph from Spruce. So Spruce is basically one of the best heat loss survey softwares out there. From heat loss survey, initial consultation to handover pack. It is everything you need if you're going into the world of heat pumps. Steph is going to be talking about the birth of Spruce, where it's come from, where it's going to, what's in the future, and maybe some hidden surprises as well. So check out the episode, hope you enjoy it, and I hope you're enjoying the installer series. Okay, so I'm here at Spruce. My good friend Steph has kindly helped me with the video of the evolution of Spruce from its infancy. 2 years ago I was here, how it's adapted, changed, and what's going on now really. So I'll hand it over to you, Steph.
Thanks, James.
So, where did it start from the last 2 years?
So 2 years ago was our first year at installer. We had a tiny shitty little stand with a fake Christmas tree on. My colleague Josh over there organised.
Yes.
It looked like shit. We had no customers basically. I think you came to see us when we were like 20.
I was a customer.
Yeah, maybe 20, like OG customers, you and Ty and that. But Alex at Libtech didn't know what a spruce tree was. It's come a long way. 2 years on.
Well, I think the first thing that impressed me with the Spruce, even 2 years ago, was the way that the rooms linked together, and you didn't have to make that manual adjustments between different rooms. So I think that was the first thing I like. And you can draw a floor plan. I was like, right, well, I'm in. And then since then, it's come on leaps and bounds. So there's some new exciting stuff coming with the drawing of pipework. I'm going to explain that, and then what's coming in the future, really.
Yeah, nice. So yeah, I mean, the floor plan thing, I guess we just saw from the beginning, like everyone was getting stoked about LiDAR, and it's obviously cool, but like people do new build jobs, people do renovations, like can't go scan a made up space, build it out of cardboard and then scan it. So that's why we started with the floor plan, and then obviously since then we've added the LiDAR so that, you know, if you don't have plans or whatever, you can do that. Got QMS now. Everybody hates MTS compliance, it's bullshit, but we're just trying to make it a bit faster.
It's definitely helped us from initial estimate to handover that you can have that full QMS system as well. What I do love about Spruce is the different ways you can do a heat loss on the spot as well. So when I'm doing a heat loss, you can either draw a room, put it together, then you can quickly scan it, or you can do just different ways of doing it. It's not one set way doing a heat loss. So that's really cool when you're doing a retrofit, you're live in a project. Pipe sizing's been a kind of a new revelation as well, like saving us cost on materials as well, the actual reality, especially with the new CIBSA guidelines coming in as well. So yeah, how have you found the pipework? How have you found it to design it? Is there any more tweaks that you need to do? And yeah, going forward.
Yeah, I'm stoked about pipework. We had people tell us for so long that they wanted to drill pipes, and we were kind of like, oh, can you make it really easy? I guess that was what we were like.
Yeah.
It's like, are you actually going to do this if it's a ball ache to do? And so we spent a lot of effort on just like the interaction. Like it needed to be fast, and I think like that's what I feel like we've got right.
Yeah, well, also, there's a lot of business owners, most of business owners who got different roles. So, it's going, how do we save time as quick as possible? You won't just have a sole designer in a company. He'll be doing surveys, he'll be doing services. So it's how quickly you can do an accurate design with pipework now and let them get on with the day as well, which is really important.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One thing we found kind of cool there is most people said to us, "Oh, we'll only do it for new build," and then we've shipped it, and everyone's doing it for retrofit because it's so fast.
Oh, massive.
Which is like, yeah, that's really cool.
Well, just as a really good example, the other week we did a retrofit, and normally with the type of heat we're doing and the setup it was, we would have been upgrading that pipework 100%. But because we did the pipe sizing and how close the pipe sizing was to the index circuit, the index T, we had real confidence to keep it to the original boiler, flow retain 22 mil primary, which has saved us, let's say, £500, literally by just doing that them quick calculations. So it's definitely good. I think, would you use it every day? Possibly. But once it starts getting out the scope of, my rule of thumbs or what I'm kind of used to, is the people 30 meters away, or can I potentially just use that 22 mil primaries? Then it really becomes, becomes nice. When it's a standard, I've got 9 kilowatt heat, there's 22 mil primaries already. It's a retrofit. I'm not already there. But when it comes to these bespoke systems, then we will spend a lot more time.
Nice. Yeah. I mean, you asked about tweaks. There's loads more we want to do.
Yeah.
The retrofit flow, I think, can be way better. Right now, it auto sizes everything. I think we'll tweak it so it's a bit more like you're drawing in what's currently there, and then you tweak from there. We'll add a few more valves that you can put KVs on, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
It's just the beginning, hopefully.
I'd like to tell them what they're doing in the future. I don't know if I'm allowed to, but some exciting times for Spruce. So maybe next year.
And as always, if you like this channel, please like and subscribe to this channel. It massively helps us always. So hit that like button and subscribe. Hope you enjoy, and see you on the next one. Steph from Spruce, from the initial... Welcome back, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to the Installer Series Part 2. In this episode, we're talking to Steph from Spruce, the heat loss. Talk about the Spruce is basically Spruce